Before DJI even says a single official word, the DJI Avata 360 is already popping up for pre-order at a US retailer. And yes, that alone is wild. New images have surfaced, bundle details are floating everywhere, and suddenly this drone feels a lot closer than anyone expected. If you've been waiting for something fresh, immersive, and a little unexpected, this leak is definitely worth talking about. Let's start with the excitement. Pre-orders. A US retailer has listed the DJI Avata 360 ahead of any official announcement, complete with stock tracking, accessory options, and even reservation-style listings. That usually doesn't happen unless a launch is imminent, or at least close enough for retailers to feel confident. But here's the catch: this retailer isn't an authorized DJI dealer. That adds a layer of risk you need to understand before hitting that buy button. Looking at the leaked images, DJI seems to be playing the bundle game strategically. Base bundle. Minimalist setup with just the Avata 360 drone, one battery, spare propellers, mounting screws, a small camera protector, and a USB-C cable. No goggles, no controller, no extra batteries, clearly aimed at existing DJI FPV users who already have compatible gear. Standard Fly Smart Combo. Includes everything from the base bundle plus DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and charging accessories. Basically, open the box, charge, and fly. This combo is ideal for newcomers looking for a smoother first FPV experience. Fly More Combo. Premium package with extra batteries, a charging hub, additional propellers, a hard carrying case, and the higher-end goggles 3. This setup is designed for long sessions, fewer interruptions, and serious content creation. Now, a quick warning. DJI has not officially announced the Avata 360. The retailer taking pre-orders is not authorized, and some listings describe units as unsealed, already activated, or imported international versions. Warranty coverage is uncertain, firmware support isn't guaranteed, and final retail bundles could change once DJI goes official. So, caution is absolutely necessary here. Let's talk prices. Based on pre-order listings. Base bundle, $999.99. Standard Fly More Combo with controller, $1,299.99. Premium Fly More Bundle with 3 batteries, charging hub, and goggles, $1,799.99. There's even a single unit listing at $1,799.99 described as new but already activated. Now I want to hear from you. Which bundle actually makes sense to you? The barebones base option, the balanced standard combo, or the all-in Fly More setup? Drop your choice in the comments and let's see what the community thinks.